Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today Apple released iOS 17.1 Beta 1, and we have a slight issue. Not really a big issue, but all the new ringtones that they released that everybody liked in iOS 17 are not here for some reason. So I'm not too sure. All the ringtones, all the text tones, all those new sounds that they released that everybody was really liking in 17 are no longer here for some reason. So not too sure what's going on there, why they would pull all those out in 17.1 if it's a bug, and for whatever reason they're not in the update. But yep, as of 17.1 Beta 1, they're not there. Another issue I have noticed is my home widget right here. You can see the text right there. It usually only displays like 2 lines of the text, and now it's trying to display 3 in some of them, which is causing the icon to spill over onto the top and get cut off, and the icons are just really mismatched and uneven and that kind of stuff. Just bad graphical issues right there. So, yep, as far as that goes, if we go into the settings for AirDrop, it looks like we do have use cellular data on there for when Wi-Fi is not available, so you can continue receiving your AirDrop. So it looks like, I'm guessing, I don't know if that's part of the new outer range stuff where it'll continue over the internet. I'm guessing that's what that's for. So it looks like that is in 17.1. We don't have the new journal app or anything like that yet. I think that's going to be a 17.2 thing. Usually the 0.2 updates are when they update a lot of the bigger stuff like that. The 0.2s are usually like a whole other mini OS release, with 0.1 being just a couple additions and fixes from the main release. But yeah, I'm not too sure why those sounds are missing. So if anybody updates me on that, I will let you guys know in a follow-up video, or if anybody knows, you can leave it down in the comments below. I did go ahead and report it in the feedback app as a bug, just in case it wasn't something that was intended, and we'll find out that way as well and see if Apple replies to that. But right now, yep, those are missing, and we just have a few other little issues and stuff here. Other than that, though, I'm not really finding anything new. I don't see anything new in terms of the music stuff. For watchOS 10.1, it looks like the code is there for the double tap on the Series 9 and Ultra 2, but it is not working yet. So we may see that in 10.1, but it's not in watchOS 10.1, that is, but it's not in the first beta as of right now. So that's just what's new right off the bat on iOS 17.1 Beta 1. I will be doing a follow-up video on this after I use it for a couple days, once I hear back on some of those changes, and if I find anything new myself, I'll also let you guys know then as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.